In today's video, I want to test GoPro's claim that the Hero 12 has improved power consumption, resulting in improved battery life over the Hero 11. Now, I know in previous videos I said the Hero 12 was only an incremental upgrade from the Hero 11 and that I would not be upgrading. Well, I lied. Okay, I didn't lie. What really happened was I wanted to buy a second Hero 11 for my B cam for travel vlogging because I really like the 8:7 aspect ratio. I had assumed I was going to see a price drop in the Hero 11 once the 12 was released. That actually didn't happen. I waited a month, prices stayed the same. What did happen was that GoPro was offering $100 off to current subscribers to upgrade to the Hero 12. So that was actually a better deal than getting a second Hero 11. So yeah, I have the Hero 12 and it's been fine. In fact, it's mostly been like the Hero 11. It does seem to be more efficient when it comes to power usage, but I really want to do some actual testing to see if it really was that much more efficient. One of the changes with the Hero 12 is they removed the GPS feature. And what people are commenting on is they're saying, well, that's the only reason it has improved battery life. And that if you disable the GPS on the Hero 11, you'll get the exact same results. However, I read a lot of this to be nothing more than speculation, and I wanted to look into it myself. And for this test, I decided to pull out both the Hero 11 and the Hero 10. To try to achieve some level of parity for these tests, I've taken all three devices, I've turned off wireless connections, I've turned off the GPS on the Hero 10 and the Hero 11, I've set the exposure to auto, I've set the white balance to native. The Hero 11 and the Hero 12 will both be shooting at 5.3K 24p at 8:7. However, the Hero 10 does not go as high as the 11 and the 12. I could only go up to 5K 24p at 4:3 aspect ratio. All three cameras are out of the sun, in the shade, and the temperatures on this day averaged about 65 degrees Fahrenheit. And all three cameras had recording initiated within a couple seconds of each other. So all three of the batteries right now in the cameras I've had for a little while. They've all seen their own fair share of use and abuse. They've overheated, they've been in freezing conditions. I'm not sure how many times each one's been recharged. They are not brand new. Now, even though I left these batteries on the charger until the light turned green, the indicator on the cameras read that the battery levels on the 11 and 12 were at 94% and 95% on the Hero 10. The Hero 10 managed to hang on for 52 minutes and 33 seconds, while the Hero 11 threw in the towel a couple minutes later at 54 minutes and 28 seconds. The Hero 12 managed to stick it out for 1 hour, 14 minutes, and 28 seconds. In this first test, it does appear that the Hero 12 is more efficient, even with the GPS turned off on the 11 and the 10. Now, as I stated, these are not new batteries. They've been used and abused, and I really don't know the health of each one. Well, I did also order 2 brand new batteries, so I charged those up and I threw them in for one more test. Now, since I only have 2 batteries, I'm only going to test the 11 against the 12. You'll notice that both battery levels are at 100%. Now let's wait for the second test to complete and see if the Hero 12 still outlasts the 11. Now, initially, it seemed like the Hero 11 was keeping pace with the 12. However, it did eventually power down at 56 minutes and 41 seconds. And the Hero 12 kept it up for 1 hour, 19 minutes, and 6 seconds before throwing in the towel. Between these two tests and my personal experience, it does seem that turning off the GPS on the Hero 11 will not make it as efficient as the Hero 12. Which to me validates GoPro's statement that the Hero 12 is a more efficient camera when it comes to power consumption. However, I will confess that I don't think that these controlled environment tests are totally reliable. If I'm going to be completely honest here, GoPros and action cameras in general were meant to be out there taking a beating. That's what they're built for, not just sitting on a handrail like I did in this video. It is altogether possible that the Hero 11 could perform better this winter while I'm out snowboarding, but I won't know until winter arrives. I'm sure environment and individual use cases could result in a different experience for some of you. Either way, I hope this information was somewhat useful to at least one of you out there before making your next purchase. As always, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you again next time.